Introducing the Fireblocks Policy Inspector. A transaction got blocked by your policy and you don't know why. The Policy Inspector is a diagnostic tool built directly into the policy overview screen. It lets you simulate any transaction against your active policy and see exactly which rule triggered and why. No guesswork, no back and forth with your security team. Let's walk you through 2 transactions to see it in action. In the transaction bar, I can see 2 recent transactions. The first was blocked by the policy. The second was completed and approved. Let's start with the blocked transaction. Double-clicking into the transaction details, I can inspect the policy directly from here. The Policy Inspector gives me everything I need at a glance. When the transaction was created, the Fireblocks transaction ID, the initiator, source vault, destination, asset type, and amount. Below that, I can see every transfer policy rule and how the transaction was matched or not matched against each one. Scrolling down, I can see this transaction was blocked by rule number 12. Clicking the rule opens a side-by-side comparison of the rule details against the transaction details. From here, I can jump straight into the policy editor by clicking View Rule and make changes if needed. Now let's look at a transaction that was completed. Inspecting the policy against this one shows me all the rules that were evaluated. In this case, rule number 9 allowed the transaction to go through. Clicking the rule shows me exactly why it matched. The Policy Inspector is accessible from 3 places: the Recent Activity bar, the Full Transaction History page, and the Policy Overview screen, which surfaces all transactions from the last 24 hours. That's the Policy Inspector. Full visibility into every policy decision right where you need it.